Including a variety of green leafy vegetables in your daily diet is an excellent way to ensure you receive a wide range of essential nutrients. Here are 12 of the healthiest green leafy vegetables that you may consider incorporating into your daily meals. 1. Spinach. Rich in iron, vitamins A and C, and a good source of antioxidants. 2. Kale. Packed with vitamins A, K, and C, as well as calcium and antioxidants. 3. Swiss chard. High in vitamins A and K, and a good source of magnesium and potassium. 4. Collard greens. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and a good source of fiber. 5. Mustard greens. High in vitamins A, C, and K, and rich in antioxidants. Hey there! If you're enjoying the content and want more, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button below the video. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest uploads and be part of our awesome community. It's completely free, and your support means a lot. Thanks a bunch for considering it. 6. Broccoli rabe, rapini. Contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. 7. Arugula. A good source of vitamins A and K, and rich in antioxidants. 8. Romaine lettuce. Provides vitamins A and K, and a good source of folate. 9. Watercress. Packed with vitamins A and C, and rich in antioxidants. 10. Cabbage. Contains vitamins C and K, and provides fiber and antioxidants. 11. Bok choy. Rich in vitamins A and C, and a good source of calcium and potassium. 12. Beet greens. High in vitamins A and K, and a good source of iron and calcium. Remember to vary your vegetable intake to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Including a mix of these green leafy vegetables in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes can contribute to a well-balanced and nutritious diet.